Hi everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. Today is day 18 of the lead coding challenge, and for today's problem we have permutation in a string. So the question says, given two strings s1 and s2, write a function to return true if s2 contains the permutations of s1. That means we have two strings s1 and s2 and we have to find out if s1 is available in s2 or not. If any of its permutation is present in s2, then we will have to return true. So we have AB here and we can see we have BA over here. So that means it does contain a permutation of this one, so we return true. And if there is no permutation of s1 in s2, then we return false. Now this problem looks very similar as yesterday's problem to me, that was find all the anagrams in the string. In yesterday's question what we did was we found all the anagrams, that is all the permutation of the string in the other string, and return its indexes. But here what we have to do is if we find any one of the permutation, we just return true. So that I guess that is the logic for today's question as well. As in hint also we can see we have to use a hash table. So I just wrote the entirely same code as yesterday and just changed this place where I return true if any one of the permutation is found out, and I return false if nothing is found. If it comes out of the loop, that means nothing was found and it just returns false. And if any one is found, then it returns true here. And if s1 dot length, if any of the strings are 0, then there is nothing we have to do, so we just return false. So we can see if I run this code, we can see we are getting the true answer, because obviously it is searching for this particular permutation inside this string and it is found, so it returns true and also has been accepted, we can see. So I don't know if this is absolutely correct answer of this question or not, or if we can improve the complexity and space complexity and all. If we can, then please leave a comment. It will really help me to know that this question can be done in other ways as well. Apart from that, if you have any problem in this code, then I had a very clear explanation video on this in yesterday's problem, so you can check that out. I will link that in the card right here. And if you like today's video, then please give us a thumbs up. Also, please write a comment and tell me if this is the correct approach for this problem or not, or if we can do it in better time complexity. And thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.